Hello everyone. If 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 1 plus 3 power x plus 2 is equals to 117, then what is the value of x? So let's start with today's video solution. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 3 power x plus 3 power x times 3 power 1 plus 3 power x times 3 power 2 is equals to 117. Now I can take 3 power x as common. So 1 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 is equals to 117. So 3 power x, 1 plus 3 square is 9 is equals to 117. So 3 power x times 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 13 is equals to 117. Now if I'll divide both sides by 13, 3 power x is equals to 9 and 9 I can write it as 3 square. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of x is 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much for watching this video.